Hi, I'm Liz Grose, a school psychologist and senior assessment consultant at Pearson Clinical Assessments. Concept knowledge is a powerful predictor of language development, cognitive function, and school readiness. It also has important implications for classroom conversations, understanding teacher directions, as well as curriculum mastery. And so the Bracken Basic Concept Scale Receptive is a comprehensive measure that assesses a child's understanding of basic concepts across 10 subtests. The Bracken School Readiness Assessment is a bit more brief, and it looks to see if a child is ready for school by assessing the first 6 subtests of the Bracken Receptive subtests. And so whether you're new or already familiar with Bracken, I have some exciting updates to share as we unbox the 4th edition of this test. So let's check it out. First, the manual. So whether you're looking to purchase the Bracken Receptive or the Bracken School Readiness Assessment, you'll notice that we have new norms and an expanded age range. So Bracken now spans ages 3 years, 0 months to 7 years, 11 months. Next up, the stimulus books. Each test has its own unique stimulus book. You'll notice by looking at these stimulus books that the artwork is brighter, it's more engaging. You'll also notice that there is more of it. There are more items which improve the floor and ceiling of this test. It's very exciting. All right, record forms. So one thing you'll notice on the record form is that the self and social awareness subtest is now included in the Bracken School Readiness Composite because we know those skills are so crucial for school success. The other thing I'm excited about is that I'm not going to hand score these because Bracken has 2 global digital scoring available soon. So please check the website for updates on availability. And finally, with each kit purchase comes the concept development guides. So this is a guide to help organize mastered versus not mastered concepts organized by area assessed. So this is just a great tool to help organize and plan instruction to help address areas of need. Oh, and before I forget, an optional purchase to supplement your kit is we do have available Spanish record forms for the Spanish translation of these tests. And so that's the 4th edition of the Bracken test. If you're ready to learn more, please click the link below or go to pearsonassessments.com.